you're experiencing low performance in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers to improve performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to help increase frame rates. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications before launching the game. This frees up system resources and can lead to smoother gameplay. Use Task Manager to identify and close any resource-heavy applications. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your operating system is updated. Regular updates can improve performance and compatibility with games. Go to your system settings and check for any pending updates. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to a solid-state drive SSD can significantly enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can boost the performance of Overwatch 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.